If you want to put geometric relation, there are two different ways to put the geometric relation. One is automatic way, another is manually. In this lesson, I will show you how to put geometric relation automatically. Now I have to put a line, so I will select my first point. After selecting this, if I move my cursor to the vertical position, next to the cursor, you can see there is one small yellow flag is showing, which is vertical icon. That means at this stage, if I put my second point, this will put one geometric relation which is vertical. Let's say I want to make a line in horizontal direction. If I go to this horizontal direction, next to the cursor you will see one small yellow flag is showing horizontal direction. So that means if I put second point, it will create this line as well as it will create a horizontal geometric relation on this line. And this is that geometric relation. Now question is, why SolidWorks is adding continuously this automatic relation? Answer is very simple. Let's say if I try to create any line, if I create any line in angle, then it will not put any geometric relation. But if I create any line in the horizontal direction, that means SolidWorks assumes that I want to keep this line as a horizontal. So if I try to move it, this is always horizontal. Now I will create line again. This time I will move my cursor to somewhere here. Next to the cursor, it is showing a white flag with vertical geometric relation. This is white color, that means this is working as a reference. After you insert your line, it will not put any geometric relation. This is just as a reference. This is vertical means from this point to this point, these 2 points stays in the same vertical line. That's why this is giving you that reference. Now if I move to somewhere here, now you can see there are two different flags showing. One is yellow, one is white. Yellow means when I will insert this line, it will create geometric relation which is horizontal geometric relation. But by using white small flag, we can see this point and this point, both points are in the same vertical line. There are many different places where SolidWorks put automatic geometric relation. Let's say if I try to create a corner rectangle, I have to put two corners. Here we can see this is a rectangle, it has few geometric relation. Looks like SolidWorks did some different kind of operation to make this rectangle. Actually answer is no. SolidWorks just made full line and put few geometric relation. If I want to create this rectangle manually, I can do it very easily. So both are same. Now if I try to move it, also both are same. Every time if you try to create a rectangle like this way, it will create so many time. You have to create full line, you have to put geometric relation, which you can accomplish by using this tool. So this is better to use this tool always. This will save you lots of time. That's why SolidWorks put all automatic geometric relation to make this rectangle. There are many different places where SolidWorks put automatic geometric relation. If I create my first line, then if I create a arc, you can see this is putting this tangent relation between this line and arc because I want to put this tangent relation. There are many different ways to put automatic relation. Let's say I have a line. Now if I select this line, then I will activate this line tool again. Now it will take reference from this existing line. Now if I create another line, it is showing few dotted line. This is called inferencing line. By using this inferencing line, you can create your line. This inferencing line is showing based on this line. So this side is parallel with this side is perpendicular with this line. If I want to make a parallel line with this line, I will go on this side and next to the cursor you can see this is showing parallel geometric relation. After putting this, let's say if I try to move it, I can move both together because it has parallel relation. The same thing I can do when I will create multi-segment of line. Let's say if I create one line, now if I try to create second line, first line is automatically selected. Based on first line, it is showing me the inferencing line. If I create another line on this direction, next to the cursor, it is showing collinear relation. You can see this is that collinear relation. There are many geometric relations which you can put automatically, but there are some geometric relations which you cannot put automatically. You must have to put manually, which I will show you in the next lesson.